Maddie, you ready? Good girl. Good girl. Look at you. Such a clever girl. Oh, and look, there's the waterfall. You like that? That's the first time we haven't had that on before. Pretty girl. Oh, here we go. Put my paws on there. There we go. Coming in for my close-up. Good girl. Little swimming. Little drinking. Dipping, sipping. Shaking. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Over here. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Comes doing water jogging. Good girl. Here we go. Good girl. Oh, jeez. Pause. Claws. This is nice. Try the waterfall? What do you think? Yeah, you can stand up there. Yeah, go check that out. What do you think? Oh, Mom, I like this. This is pretty good. Kind of a fun water fountain. This is the first time I've seen this thing. Ooh, I rather like. Pretty Maddie. Want to go for a stroll or another swim? Good girl. Big brave girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Look at you go. Oh, so pretty. Go, Maddie. Go, Maddie. Go, Maddie. Good Maddie. Oh, I'm rather fascinated with this. I'm going to try this again. All right, come on. Good girl. Come on. This is pretty peaceful. I just have to hope that it doesn't start raining too soon. Which it probably will. But that's okay. We're enjoying our pool fun. Good girl. Come for another jump? Can you jump? Come on. Let's jump. Okay, I move the stuff out of your way. All right. All right, here we go. We'll go for the under angle. Here we go. Come on, Maddie. Oh, sorry, Mom. Squirrel Patrol's calling. Gotta go.